सबसे पहले आज हम जिस मकसद से जमा हुए हैं वो मकसद है रोजगार, एम्प्लॉयमेंट, कि जिसके जरिए कई लोगों के घरों में खुशहाली आ सकती। मैं डायरेक्ट सब्जेक्ट पर इसलिए आ रहा हूँ कि ऐसे माहौल में ज्यादातर जिसके पास कूलर नजदीक नहीं है उनका बर्दाश्त करके बैठ रहना क्या महसूस होता है मैं समझ सकता हूँ।
Okay, so I had come here for the job. They have provided amazing opportunity. They have gathered many companies here for apply. They had given us understanding and experience how to apply. It was an amazing experience and opportunity to learn and show my skill. And I'm hopeful that me and like other people will also get jobs. Otherwise, they will get experience and skill how to get their next job. I'm very thankful for their opportunity. Thank you.
એકંદરે ખૂબ જ સારો સરાહનીય પ્રયત્ન છે. સમાજના બેરોજગાર યુવાનોને મૂળ ધારા પર લાવવા માટેના પ્રયત્નને હું ખૂબ બિરદાવું છું, શુભકામનાઓ આપું છું. ધન્યવાદ. એચ.એચ. ગઢવી, રોજગાર અધિકારી સાવરકુંડલા.